All right, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got the Ryker up on the Rhino ramps. Today, I have another package for you. This is also from Sling Mods. Very excited to get this on. So let's go ahead, get it opened up, unboxed, and let's get it installed. Already, y'all can see what this is. It's from Show Chrome Accessories, scuff plate for the Can-Am Ryker. So inside the box, you get the scuff guard, and you get the tools, and you get the set of instructions. Very simple install. It looks like it's only about 3 bolts. 3 bolts and, a couple pins, a little spacer. Shouldn't be a very hard install. The best way to do this, I think, in my opinion, is to get it jacked up on these Rhino ramps. You don't have to jack it up, but it just makes it easier to get underneath because you have to get underneath kind of like the radiator area. So I think it's better to jack it up, get a little more room, but you do as you please. So let's go ahead. This is what's inside the box. Let's go ahead and get it on the bike. So before we get really deep into this, I wanted to kind of set this up for you guys really quick. So the tools that you're gonna need is your Torque 30 bit. You're also gonna need an Allen wrench that's gonna fit inside of these bolts. And then as you see, I already have it set up. So this is how it's gonna be. You got your longest bolt with a screw on, you got your longest screw, I should say, with your bolt on top. You have a spacer and you have a washer. And then your other 2 screws just have the washers. You also have these tabs that's gonna go inside of your OEM holes. And then these will go into that. Should be very simple. So with that being said, let's get it on. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is remove these 2 screws. These screws are located here and here. Then you're just gonna wanna pull this back a little bit. Careful not to break nothing. You're gonna pull this back a little bit to expose the 2 holes. Then we're gonna put the clamps here. So I'm about to do that now. All right, y'all, so it looks like I ran into a little bit of a problem. So check this out. So you get these that you're supposed to put right here, but it looks like I already have some, and these new tabs don't fit. So I guess I'm just gonna wing it and not add those and just use what's already there. So let's see how that works out. Yeah, it's just something that I found. This is a Ryker 900, so it's not the Rally. The Rally version, you may not have those, but on this bike, I already have some tabs, it looks like. So I guess I'm just gonna use those. So I'm gonna finish with the install by getting the screws in. Alrighty, so I took the long screw with the washer and spacer. There is a hole. So let's see if we can find. So there's a hole here, and you just run it up and put the screw on. All right, y'all, so I have everything tightened down, bolted up, as you can see. Even without the tabs, looks like everything went in pretty good. I will mention you're gonna need some type of socket or wrench or something like that to, wrong bolt, to hold down the bolt that's on top of this long screw. It's a little bit challenging getting in there, but you're not gonna be able to secure this screw without having something to hold the bolt on top to tighten it down. But besides that, what I ended up using was this one. I think this is a 9. So I use a 9mm ratchet. I use this end of it here, and it seemed to work out pretty good. It's just a tight fit in there. It's hard to get to, but you can do it. So, like I said, got everything in there. Everything is secured, so let's take a look at it. So here is the final look. It looks badass. I'm really, really liking it. For about 75 bucks, this could be yours off of Sling Mods. The install was not that bad. You just have to sometimes just roll with the punches. Like I said, the tabs didn't fit. And then trying to get that screw tightened up at the top was a bit challenging, but we got it done. But again, final look, looks great. Really digging it. 75 bucks, Sling Mods. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that good stuff. You know what it is. Ryker fam, stand up, tap in. Let's go.